my name is Masai Gary. I am 9 years old. So today I'm going to solve this problem. And this problem says coffee is draining out of a conical filter at a rate of 2.25 inch cube per minute. If the cone is 5 inch tall and has a radius of 2 inch, how fast is the coffee lever dropping when the coffee is 3 inch deep? So first of all, let V be the volume, and H be the height, and R be the radius of the coffee, radius of the coffee in the conical filter, and then period. So now I'm going to draw the sketch of this problem. So now I'm going to have this. And now it says if the cone is 5 inch tall and has a radius of 2 inch, that means the height will be this 5, and then I'm going to here, and that would be a radius of 2, and then I'm going here, and now here. You know this is R, and then this is H, and now I'm going to label this A. This would be B. This is C, and this is D, and this is E. So now we know that ABC is similar to DEC, so that means 5 over H is equal to 2 over R. So now we're going to find the value of R. So that means that 5R is equal to 2H. So now that means that R is equal to 2H over 5. So now we know that R is equal to 2H over 5. So that means dVdt is equal to negative 2.25 inch cube per minute. So now I'm going to erase this and this. We know that formula of the volume of a cone is V equals to 1/3 pi R square H. So now that means V is equal to 1/3 and then pi, and we know R is 2H over 5, and that's about 2, and that times H. So now V is equal to 1/3 and then pi, and then we have 2H over 5 squared, which is 4H squared over 25 times H. So now that means V is equal to 1/3 pi. Wait, I'm going to erase this. It's actually 4 pi over 75. We have A squared times H, which is H cubed. So now we're going to erase this. And this. So now on both sides we differentiate with respect to t. So that means dVdt is equal to ddt of 4 pi h cubed over 75. And it's closed. So now that means dVdt is equal to, we can take out the constant, so I'm going to have 4 pi over 75 times ddt of h cubed. And that's closed. So now that means dVdt is equal to 4 pi over 75 times 3h squared times dh dt. So now I'm going to erase this. And this. So now that means that dVdt is equal to 12 pi h 75 times dH dt. So now dV dt is equal to, we know that h is equal to 3, so now we plug in 3 there. So that means we have 108 pi over 75 times dH dt. So now we know that dV dt is negative 2.25. That is equal to 108 pi over 75 times dH dt. So now this, and this. So now we can cross multiply. So that means we have negative 2.25 times 75 is equal to 108 pi times dH dt. So now on both sides we divide by 108 pi. So that means dH dt is equal to negative 2.25 times 75 over 108 pi. So now I'm going to use my calculator. So that means we have negative 2.25 times 75. And that divided by parenthesis 108 and then pi, parenthesis closed. So now we know that dH dt is equal to negative 0.497. Thank you guys for watching my video today.